Hi, I'm Bill Bassett, and today we're looking at saving lives through science-based cleaning in the health club industry. Let's have a look at some of the challenges we face when trying to make health clubs and gymnasiums COVID safe from a TouchPoint cleaning point of view. Viruses can survive on surfaces for varying amounts of time. Transference of germs from human carrier to surfaces and then from surface to surface happens without us even realising it. All we need to do is touch a contaminated surface with our hands, wipe our nose or eyes, and our own bodies could easily become infected. With the average person touching their face 23 times an hour and their mobile phone 145 times an hour, this combined with how many door handles, lift buttons, handrails or touch points on exercise equipment we touch can mean most of us are giving germs hundreds of opportunities to jump down our throat every day. Most gyms have between 1 and 10,000 members. That's a lot of people using the same pieces of equipment. The main high-risk touch points we find in gymnasiums are those touched when you're entering or exiting and those surfaces on exercise equipment that you cannot avoid touching. Door handles, keypads, handrails, utilised when you're entering the gym, and most importantly glass, stainless steel and plastic surfaces on exercise equipment. Other touch points like dumbbells, check-ins and floor mats are also important to keep clean. Traditionally, these surfaces are being cleaned at the end of each day by a cleaner moving through the facility with a single cloth and bottle. All surfaces, whether facility touch points or individual equipment touch points, are generally cleaned in the same way. This process is more likely to spread dirt and germs around the gym as the same cloth is used for all surfaces. When we tested this traditional cleaning method, we discovered that ATP levels actually increased when the same cloth was being used continuously. Interestingly, we tested the difference using a paper towel sprayed with disinfectant versus spraying the equipment and wiping the disinfectant off with the dry paper towel. The spraying the equipment and then wiping dry removed more than working with a wet paper towel. To clean touch points effectively, you have to use a clean cloth with the right amount of moisture and apply the right amount of pressure. Combining these three principles will always deliver a better clean. However, when the same cloth or an over-wet wipe is used, it becomes less likely to absorb dirt and germs and more likely to spread them. This is also visibly seen when cleaning glass touchpads. If the wipe is too wet, it just pushes the solution around and leaves it on the surface. To increase the level of cleanliness in this situation, we need to firstly understand which touch points are being touched by the most people. Secondly, we need to find a better way to clean these surfaces that removes dirt and germs instead of spreading them. And thirdly, we need to increase the frequency of cleaning these touch points in the high-risk areas. You'll need to do away with the traditional dirty single cloth method and use separate clean wipes when performing touchpoint cleaning of these high-risk surfaces. But make sure your wipes you are using are not too wet. To minimise cross-contamination and maximise cleaning of your touch points, we recommend the following program. Firstly, always have alcohol hand sanitizer available for people to use before and after cleaning equipment. High-risk touch points, which are the handrails at the entry points or equipment surfaces that you cannot avoid touching, should be cleaned with TouchPoint facility wipes, pre-moistened with benzalkonium chloride disinfectant. These large 500 count heavy-duty wipes are moist enough to clean 10 touch points on an exercise bike and have enough absorbency to remove all the solution from the surface. They are available in a 500 count bucket and will also work in your wall-mounted dispensers. We tested paper towels and disinfectant against our new TouchPoint facility wipes and found the paper towel wet with disinfectant was the worst, only removing 96%, and the facility wipes removed 99.9%. For more help with COVID-safe cleaning, contact us at interclean.com.au or ask your local Interclean distributor.